Okay, we've installed the caliper bracket and we fitted the pads to the caliper bracket. Our next step is to install the caliper. One of the areas that you want to really pay attention to is lubricating the pistons and the caliper where it contacts the brake pad. What we'll use is a good silicone-based lubricant, and we'll actually just put it on the piston area and we'll put it on the little ears of the caliper. The reason we do that, all calipers have a tendency to torque within the caliper brackets. When they torque back and forth, it puts stress on the shims. If you remember when we took this apart the first time, how that outer shim had migrated down to the rotor and it started cutting that rotor in half. What you want to do is break that friction. Let's install that caliper. Okay, the final step, we've got the caliper in, we put the caliper mounting bolts in. Your final step is make sure you torque everything to specification.